Hi, hello friends. Me Dr. Sai Chandra. Welcome to another episode. In this video, we'll be talking about ACL tear. What is ACL tear? What are the reasons for ACL tear? Any other associated injuries? What are the treatment options? What will be the post-op protocol? So, coming to what are the reasons for ACL tear? In India, the most common reason is trauma, whether it can be slip and fall from bike or whether it can be a road traffic accident or a trivial fall from steps. It can happen either with trauma or with sports injuries. As you know, ACL plays very important role in the knee joint. It gives stability for the knee joint. It prevents anterior tibial translation. So, what are the symptoms the patient can have? The patient can have instability. So, what is the meaning of instability? The patient can have a giving away sensation for each and every step. So, he will not have the confidence, he can't run, he can't jump, he can't jog. Along with this, he can have a pain. Along with this, he can have locking sensation. So, extensor deficits. So, while examining the patient, we also need to check for any other associated ligament injuries like PCL injury, MCL, lateral collateral ligament, PLC complex. We also need to check for the alignment like any gross varus. We also need to check for how is the meniscus. Along with this, we should see what is the activity of the patient, what are his expectations. So, after coming to the proper diagnosis, we'll explain the treatment options for the patient. So, what are the treatment options? The universally accepted treatment option for a complete ACL tear with instability is arthroscopic ACL reconstruction. So it can be done with different graft options. Each graft option has got its own advantages, disadvantages. Universally commonly used graft options are CEMITI, hamstring graft, bone patellar tendon bone graft, quadriceps tendon bone graft. There are few other graft options which are not used very commonly. So each graft option has got its own advantages and disadvantages. Considering whether the patient is a sports person, what is the age, what is his occupation, what are his demands, and what is the type of tear, whether this tear is associated with any other ligament injuries or any other meniscal injuries, we'll advise him, we'll offer him the graft options. So, once the surgery is done, then comes the rehab protocol. Coming to post-op rehab protocol, there's a lot of difference of opinion, like mainly it depends on what are the ligaments that are repaired or reconstructed, whether we have done a partial reconstruction or a full arthroscopic ACL reconstruction, single bundle ACL reconstruction, double bundle ACL reconstruction, whether we have done both ACL and PCL, whether we have done ACL, MCL, PLC, whether we have addressed ACL with meniscectomy, whether we have done ACL with meniscus root repair, whether we have done ACL with PCL. So the post-op protocol, it depends on what surgery we have done, and because every patient can't have one single protocol, so it basically depends on what type of surgery we have done. I hope this video is helpful to you. This video is mainly for those patients who are keen in knowing about basics of ACL reconstruction. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you. Bye bye.